Threadless is an online platform that allows independent artists and designers to showcase their work and sell their designs on various products like t-shirts, posters, and accessories. It was founded in 2000 and has since grown into a popular marketplace for creative individuals. To make money online with Threadless in 2024, follow this step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. Research and understand Threadless. Familiarize yourself with Threadless's mission, values, and community. Visit their website, read about their story, and explore the types of designs they feature. This will help you understand what kind of artwork is popular on the platform. Develop your artistic skills. If you're not already a skilled artist or designer, invest time in developing your abilities. Learn various design techniques, software, and styles that are popular on Threadless. You can find tutorials and courses online to help you improve. Choose your niche. Identify a specific niche or theme that you're passionate about and have a good understanding of. This will make it easier for you to create unique and compelling designs that resonate with Threadless's audience. Create high-quality designs. Design original artwork that stands out and appeals to the Threadless community. Make sure your designs are visually appealing, well-composed, and have a strong concept. Pay attention to details and ensure your artwork is of high quality. Follow submission guidelines. Threadless has specific guidelines for submitting designs. Familiarize yourself with these rules and make sure your designs meet their requirements. This will increase your chances of getting your designs featured on the platform. Submit your designs. Create an account on Threadless and submit your designs according to their guidelines. Be patient, as the review process may take some time. If your design gets selected, it will be printed and sold on Threadless's website, and you'll earn a royalty for each sale. Promote your designs. Share your designs on social media platforms and engage with the Threadless community. Build a following and encourage your friends, family, and followers to purchase your designs. The more popular your designs become, the more sales you'll generate. Collaborate with other artists. Collaborate with other artists on Threadless or outside the platform to create unique designs. This can help you tap into new audiences and increase your chances of making more sales. Stay updated and adapt. Keep an eye on the latest design trends and adjust your style accordingly. Threadless is always evolving, and staying updated will help you maintain a strong presence on the platform. Diversify your income streams. While selling your designs on Threadless is a great way to make money, consider expanding your income streams. You can sell your artwork on other platforms, create custom designs for clients, or even sell your designs on your own website. By following these steps, you can successfully make money online with Threadless in 2024 and build a career as an independent artist or designer.